Welcome back to Stoy Crypto. The day we've all been waiting for is finally here. Walrus is live on mainnet, and in this video I'm going to show you how to claim the airdrop if you're eligible for it. Then I'm going to show you a few things you can do to potentially qualify for the next phase of the Walrus Airdrop. Please note, nothing I say is financial advice. Is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. Walrus mainnet is officially live. We're here to fundamentally transform how apps use and engage with data, empowering you to do more with your data, blah blah blah. Now that Walrus mainnet is live, you'll need WAL to participate in and use the network. These centralized exchanges have already listed WAL. Walrus Staking, we'll go through this in a second, but let's start by claiming it. It says the claim site is now open for Walrus Airdrop NFT holders. Connect your wallet to claim. So let's click on this. Claim your Walrus Airdrop today. So if you're eligible for this, you would have received an NFT airdropped into your wallet about a month ago. And so you can check all of your Sui wallets or whatever wallets you've used to interact with the Sui ecosystem over the past year or so and see if you were eligible. If you don't know already, maybe you'll be surprised. In this case, I was eligible with this one wallet. You can see here there's a banner in my Sui wallet that says you're eligible. And then if I go to assets, you'll see the NFT that was dropped in here to show the allocation I was eligible for. So we're going to claim that right now. Even if you didn't get the first airdrop, stick around. I'll show you a few things you can do to potentially qualify for the second wave of the WAL token airdrop. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect my Sui wallet, which has the NFT in it. I'm going to go ahead and click connect. Says you're eligible for the airdrop. Here's my allocation. I'm going to click on claim airdrop. And I'm going to approve it. So here it says, congratulations, you've successfully claimed your Walrus airdrop. Let's check our wallet to see if they're in there. And there we go. That was very simple. One more thing just to point out, make sure you have a little bit of Sui in your wallet when you go to claim, just for gas fees. They're very low on Sui, but you want to have some in there just to make sure that works when you claim. Let's check the WAL token on DEX Screener. So if we go to DEX Screener and then Sui to see all the ecosystem tokens, so you can see right now it's number 1. And currently it's trading around 45 cents. The market cap of 563 million. So now that we've claimed our WAL token airdrop, I'm going to show you what I'm personally doing with it next. If we go to X, this is the co-founder of Mistin Labs and Sui Network in general. Earlier today, he posted stake to what looks like an airdrop symbol. So a very non-subtle hint that simply staking Walrus token now or in the near future is most likely a qualifier for the next round of WAL airdrop. And you can go ahead and look it through the comments. So now that we've claimed our WAL airdrop, we're going to keep it very simple and we're going to go ahead and stake it. Here's the official post about staking on Walrus, and here's the link to it. So the site is just stake-wal.wal.app. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my wallet. Always double check, make sure that you are on the correct site whenever staking or claiming any kind of airdrop. I'm going to go ahead and connect a wallet that has the WAL token. You can see there's currently 103 storage nodes to choose from. I don't think it really matters. Do your own research on this. Commission 60% for everyone I've looked at so far. I'm just going to go with a name that I know in Swiland, which is one of the top protocols. Lending and borrowing protocols in the ecosystem, so I'm just going to use this one. So I'm going to personally just go with Swiland. Let's go ahead and let's open this up. So Swiland, I'm going to hit stake. Again, I'm keeping it simple. I want to set myself up not only to earn rewards by staking, but also potentially to take advantage of that second airdrop. So I'm just going to stay 100% stake, and we'll click on stake. Stake in progress, stake successfully. So you can see 981 WAL are staked with Swiland. If you scroll up to the top, you can easily see your staked amount and where it's staked. You can go ahead and withdraw it whenever you want. I'm gonna leave mine staked, but that's how easy it is to do. So when I talk about speculation of a second WAL airdrop, I want to refer you to this post by Jussie, specifically this part. If we scroll down to the tokenomics, supply 5 billion, if 7% of 5 billion goes to investors and they raise 140 million, the price at which they bought it is 40 cents. For Walrus airdrop 10%, but on token generation event will be distributed only 4%. The rest 6% for future airdrop. Again, I showed you this post earlier today by one of the co-founders of Sui, stake to airdrop. Another good post I want to point out by Desmond.Sui, where he talks about all the things you can do with the Walrus token once you have it in your wallet, whether that was by airdrop or you swap some Sui for it. But the key to this is he also references by doing these things, you are already increasing your chances of getting the second WAL airdrop. So just another reference to that potential second wave of WAL token airdrop. So my point is that if there is another airdrop coming, then why not position yourself for it, regardless of if you did or did not receive this first one. And it's super easy, I think, to do that by just staking. So all all you need to do is go to a DEX like Cetus or Turbos and simply swap some SWI for Walrus token. Once you have the Walrus in your wallet, just go here and go through the process of staking some of it, just like I just showed you. That would be probably the strongest qualifier. Other things you could do with WAL token, you could go the liquid staking route. So Hadal is the top liquid staking protocol on SWI. If we go to the app and then connect your SWI wallet, you'll see here that they have the option, if you click on WAL, where you could stake WAL and in return get the HA-WAL liquid staking token that you could then go use on other protocols, provide liquidity and earn yield on that. So kind of a double dip, qualify potentially for staking your Walrus while also being able to use the HA-WAL liquid staking token on other protocols to earn additional yield. You could go to SWILend, which is the top lending borrowing protocol on SWI, and you could deposit your WAL here. You can see right now the APR is pretty good at 108% and earn rewards this way. You could deposit your WAL token into the WAL SWI pool or the WAL USDC pool, and you can see right now it's pretty crazy APR on those as well, and put it to work that way. All of those activities are potential qualifiers for that second wave that we're anticipating is going to happen at some time in the future. So in my opinion, if you did get the airdrop, it's worth staking at least some of it to set yourself up for a potential second wave of WAL airdrop. If you didn't get the airdrop, it's worth swapping some SWI or USDC for WAL and staking some of it, again, to set yourself up for that potential second wave. And then just being active in the SWI ecosystem can pay off in big ways. You don't need a lot of money to start. You can start with a little. There's other big airdrops such as ICA on the way as well this year. So just being active can pay off. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.